Okay, so here's this task here to create release of mortgages. It's pretty quick and easy. So here's the list. We'll do 1204 Laurel right here. The attached mortgage, release of mortgage template is right here, and we'll do 1204 Laurel. So the first step is to find the mortgage for 1204 Laurel. So we'll go to this folder right here, and we'll look for 1204 Laurel, which is right here. So you'll see up here at the top, this number, this A 2018 number here, that's the instrument number, and this is the date. And then we also want to look, okay, see, I'm the mortgager, or this MLR Paramount LLC is the mortgager, and Magenta Holdings LLC is the mortgagee. Most of the time that will be the same, but those are the three pieces of information that you need. So right here we look, and yes, MLR Paramount to Magenta Holdings LLC, that's correct. We want to change this date right here and change this instrument number. So A 2018 36457. And 416. And that is all. So again, if this is different, then we need to change here and here. And is there one more part where? No. Okay. Everything's good. We will save this, and we will just put the address right here. "1204 Laurel," and then we can upload it into this folder right here. And there it is. That's all we need to do.